Hello everyone, I just got the chicken shredder by Feastmate on Amazon and I'm loving it. The packaging is great. It comes with this handy brush for cleaning. It also comes with the 2 extra grips, which I pasted them here, and they actually help you in making it non-slip when you're shredding the meat. It won't move here and there, and it's anti-slip. It also comes with this plate, which is very handy because once you place the plate inside and you place the chicken here and then you shred your meat, you put this on top and then you rotate it by the rotators. Once your chicken or any kind of meat, whatever you're using, is shredded, you just simply take out the plate. It makes the cleanup easier, and it makes the chicken or whatever meat you're using basically to take that out easier as well. Overall, a great product. I would recommend it. Go buy it.
Yeah, there it is. Alright, so now we got the chicken in here. This is perfect for like chicken pot pie. You can do it on the crab meat to make mom's crab salad. And there we go. Yum yum. Quick.